Is the edge device good enough to filter anomalies before sending?
エッジデバイスはデータをメインモデルに送信する前に異常をフィルターリングするのに十分ですか？
東京のデバイスは敷地ベースのローカルフィルターを使っていて、異常値はクラウドに送られていません。
By the way, are we linking the BIM data directly to
그런데 BIM 데이터를 센서 기록과 직접 연결하나요? 아니면 먼저 레빗을 통해 내보내나요?
저희는 여전히 IFC 파일을 기준으로 작업해서 주기적으로 레빗에 내보내는 방식이에요.
In addition to the software, we are also able to offer native as a bot mode, which mimics the way human interpreters or bilingual speakers would normally join calls, but with all of NaitivAI engine's domain-specific expertise built in. Just send a calendar invite to a Naitiv Bot email address, and it will join your Zoom, Google Meet, Teams meeting automatically.
Hi, I'm the native interpreter bot. Please start speaking and pause when you are ready for me to interpret.
ロボットを開発しております。昨日のシミュレーションの結果を教えていただけますか？
Our company is engaged in developing robots. Could you please inform me about the results of yesterday's simulation?
Sure, the margins are well within expectation. All looks good.
ロイさん、利益率は期待通りです。すべて順調です。
Let's walk through your upcoming project timelines. Are there any risks that we should know about?
今後のプロジェクトのタイムラインについて確認しましょう。何かリスクはありますか？
来月の天候によっては、建設に遅れが出る可能性があります。
Should the weather next month be unfavorable, there might be delays in the construction.
NaitivAI has also been used for facilitating authentic relationship building for in-person meetings, for both office visits and live events. It's like having a UN interpreter with you, except it sounds like you and it builds real connections.